Hello, welcome to another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question but in the same series, just click on the information card here. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. Got the answer C? Well done! If you didn't, I'll now explain why the answer is C. A load of 50 newtons is suspended from a wire that has a cross-section area of 1 millimeter squared. The stress in the wire in pascals is between. Well, let's first of all just remind ourselves a pascal is a newton per meter squared, and let's look on the data sheet and we'll find that stress is equal to force per unit of area. So I just need to put the numbers in now. So the stress, the force we're told was 50 newtons. The area is 1 millimeter squared. Now I need to put this in meters squared because a pascal is a newton per meter squared. 1 millimeter squared is 1 millionth, or 1 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I get an answer of 50 times 10 to the 6 pascals, which is between 10 to the 6 and 10 to the 9, so the answer is C. Now the only slightly tricky thing in this is converting millimeters squared to meters squared, and I'm going to quickly explain why 1 millimeter squared is 1 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. Let's imagine we have a cube, and that cube is 1 meter by 1 meter. So it has an area of 1 times 1 meter squared. Now that's exactly the same cube has 1000 millimeters on each side. So its area is 1000 times 1000, or 1 million, or 1 times 10 to the 6 millimeters squared. So just remember that when you're working from non-standard units of area to the standard units of area, which are meters squared. Okay, if you found this video useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with your friends, press the like button. Thank you very much for watching.